your laptop is not slow. Maybe you need to upgrade the hard drive from HDD to SSD. Right. So HDD is a mechanical hard drive. You need to upgrade it to an SSD, which is a digital hard drive. Got these at Takealot. I think it's $600. It's called the Rowware. So let's see how long it takes to boot up a laptop that's using an HDD versus a laptop that uses an SSD. So let's check how long it's gonna take to boot up with an HDD. I'm gonna turn it on now. It's 4:31, and then I'm gonna power it up. See how long it takes. Okay, it's been more than 3 minutes. I'm just gonna switch it off, man. I can't wait any longer. This thing is just, yeah. So 3 minutes, laptop still hasn't turned on. That's how slow it is. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna upgrade the hard drive, which is the SSD, and then we're gonna use the SSD. Okay, done installing the Windows. So let's see how long it takes to turn on. Laptop is off, so I'm gonna turn it on. See, it's 15, 16. See how long it takes. Literally took 40 seconds. Just since 17, so the video is 40 seconds long, so it took 40 seconds to turn on.